Hello, after a really big pause, here we go again with our third lecture. I will try to post more exercises and try to post at least once per week or once every 2 weeks. So, now that we know how to recognize singular, plural, masculine, and feminine forms in Italian, it's time to face one of the first major challenges, the Italian articles. It's a kinda difficult topic, so today we will not focus on all the articles, but we will focus only on singular articles. The next lesson will be about plural articles. So take your time to watch this video, understand the topic, and try to remember the rule. Let's start with masculine words. Here we have il cane, il libro, il miele, il quaderno, il telefono. We can say that they are masculine words, as I already said, and they share something in common. This something is the article il. So, regardless of whether they end in o or e, they have the singular article il, and they all start with a consonant. But does this rule apply to all masculine words? Here we have lo gnomo, lo yogurt, lo pneumatico, lo psicologo, lo specchio, lo xilofono, lo zaino. So here we can notice that again they are all masculine words, but they don't have the article il. The article here is lo. But why? We can say that il goes with masculine words that begin with a consonant. But there are some exceptions. These exceptions will have the article lo, because lo goes with masculine words that begin with s plus consonant, ps, pn, gn, x, y, or z. Let's see what happens with words that begin with a vowel, because so far we have only talked about consonants. So, l'albero, l'amico, l'elefante, l'orologio, l'uccello. Also here we can see that they are all masculine words. And here the article will be L with apostrophe. So to summarize everything, we can say il goes with masculine words that begin with a consonant. So almost always for masculine words will be il, but there are some exceptions like lo, masculine words that begin with s plus consonant, ps, pn, gn, x, y, z. Then we have L with apostrophe that goes with words starting with a vowel. To summarize everything, let's see here. So Do we have a masculine singular word? No. Let's just wait for the rule with feminine words. Yes. So does it begin with a vowel? If the answer is yes, then we have L with apostrophe. Does it begin with a consonant? If the answer is yes, then we should ask ourselves which one is the consonant and if the consonant is one of these. If the answer is no, then the article will be il. If the answer is yes, the article will be lo. I suggest at the beginning to follow this scheme here because it may be very, very useful for you. At a certain point, it will become automatic, but since that moment, I really suggest you to actually think about the word. But now let's go to feminine words. La casa, la mela, la borsa, la neve, la studentessa. Again, here we have feminine words ending in a or ending in e. It doesn't matter. And we see that they have in common la. Let's focus especially on the word studentessa because this word begins with the sound S plus consonant, but still takes the article la. Therefore, unlike masculine words, in the feminine form, we only make a distinction between words starting in consonant and words starting in vowel. So, if we have studentessa or zia, the article will still be la. But if we have studente, zio, the article will be lo. So be very, very careful about this. And now let's go to our last example. So here we will have words starting with a vowel. L'isola, l'amica, l'erba, l'onda, l'uscita, and here we see again that the common article is L with apostrophe, as it happened with masculine words. So this rule will also be easier for you because it doesn't matter if it's a masculine or a feminine word, the article will always be L with apostrophe if you see that the word begins with a vowel. So, to summarize, la goes with feminine words that begin with a consonant, L with apostrophe, let's say feminine words or just words that begin with a vowel. So, I hope everything is clear to you and I look forward to seeing you in the next video that will be with exercises on singular articles. So see you soon. Grazie.